Hello, and this is the precursor to the drawing course for Waterton Construction. To start this off, there's some basic items here to go over on a set of drawings that I didn't get to in the in our first iteration of the video of the number one video. So basically, we're just going to go through the title block. So these items could be in different locations in the title block, but most likely are usually um, in this area. So most of the time, this area here, the revisions, is usually lower in the drawing, but it's really up to the consultant where it goes. It's not really a big deal. So this basically here is just stating that they issued the drawings for coordination in 2018, November 19th, issued for tender, issued for 99% review on February 12th, issued for permit May 29th, 2020, and issued for permit, issued for CCN number one, and issued for instructions. So basically, you can see through all these items that what the revision of the drawing is, because you want to make sure you're working from the latest revision. So sometimes you could have a different revision and it could be the wrong revision. So it's very important that when we're going through the drawings and we get a contract, that it lists the appropriate drawings with the appropriate dates, because we have seen it before where we tendered a project and they gave us, a few iterations ago, we priced the whole job, we go do it, and then they say, well, why aren't you doing it like this or that? And we say, well, those are not the drawings you gave us. So that does happen. So that's something to be wary of. Next thing down, notes, just basically generic notes on, every drawing. Contractor shall check and verify all dimensions and be responsible for reporting all discrepancies to owner and or consultant prior to tender closing. That's kind of a bit of a joke. That's their job to do. They're the ones who are verify all the drawings, coordination between everything. That's what they're paid for. So if we do find any errors, we'll get to them after tender. Latest proof drawings only to be used for construction. Just like I was saying, we only should be using number 7, dated November 19th, 2020, issued for construction. Prints are not to be scaled. Again, everybody does scale them. Just verify it. 100% verify, 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 verify. So, like we said before, this drawing here, it shows scale 3/8 equals a foot. Double check, is 3/8 equals a foot? Does it scale out to 3 foot 2? If it does, good to go. If not, we got a problem and we can't use it. So that's something that that you have to really take care of. Next spot down, this is just the engineer's stamp on the drawings. A.W. Ross, whoever that is, stamped it. Consultant is Concentric. They're obviously all over Ontario and other provinces as well. Client name, working for Renewy. Project address, 5123 Hawthorne Road, Gloucester, Ontario. Project name, new office building. Drawing title, general notes and typical details. And then this here just tells you it's designed by STP, whoever that is, drawn by BHR, whoever that is, and approved by AWR, which is Mr. Ross, as we know up above. Scale as shown. So that means that sometimes the whole drawing is one scale. Sometimes the whole drawing has 20 scales on it. So that's something you have to watch out for, because a drawing could have, a scale it's 1 inch equals a foot here, and it could have 1 foot equals a half an inch over here. So that's something to be very careful of. Again, and these are just internal dates. And then we have a drawing number. But if we go to the next one, the drawing title, it gives you usually a pretty good indication of what's going on here. So as you'll note, foundation plan for the drawing. So A1 is a foundation plan. And then this one here is A1.2. It's a roof plan. So just gives you an idea of what it is. And this is the explanation of the title block of a drawing. Now you can enter into the regular drawing reading course. Thank you and have fun. Good luck. And we're looking forward to you hopefully learning something good on these videos.